Okay, well, here we go with my long-awaited bean pie. I made a bean pie. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys. I think I did. I don't know if you remember me mentioning that I want to make a bean pie. I love bean pies, but we don't have them readily available. Or I don't know if the place that we used to go to still makes them or whatever. I know sometimes they'll have days where you go all the way over there and they tell you that they're not open or they're not doing them today or whatever, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, I made my own today. I've been wanting to forever, for weeks now. And I've had all the ingredients together, and then we wound up having chorizo and eggs twice in a row, and I wound up eating up all the eggs. So, or cooking all of the eggs. So, so finally I had to go back. We had to go back to the store, get eggs. So I'm going to show you. This is not too bad. I did 2 of them. Not too bad. Looks pretty. So I'm going to cut it and then show you. Hold on. So of an surety, it is not the prettiest. The top is pretty, that golden color and that crispiness. Has that nice crispiness, but it has some wet spots. I did accidentally or inadvertently leave out a whole tablespoon of what do you call it, flour. What else didn't I do? It was, oh, I didn't leave it in. I might not have left it in long enough because I just researched a few recipes, and the rest, all of the recipes basically had different temperatures, settings. So I put it on 450 for 15 minutes, then turned it down to 350 for about 35 minutes. But I probably should have kept it in a little longer, but I was, like I said, I was unsure. This is my first time making bean pie. Of course, I made plenty of buttermilk pies, plenty of chess pies and the like, but and whatnot. But I've never made a bean pie before, but I do love them. We used to eat them a lot. They used to be very available in those days. So let me see here. What are we working with? So it's just I use brown sugar, nutmeg, white northern beans, vanilla extract, nutmeg, I said brown sugar, right? Flour, a little salt, sea salt. Okay. So it tastes just like a sweet potato pie. Hold on. Oh my goodness. And it's light. Very light. So I'm not sure if I should put this back in for another 10 minutes because it does have some wetness. Not like a bad wetness, but I don't know if that's the sugar or what. Because some of the parts are has is more dense than the other, but I don't know. But it's really good. It's very good. I'm very proud of myself. But like I said, I inadvertently left out a whole tablespoon of flour, and I didn't know which temperature. It's really good though. It's really good. It's really, really good. And I love the color. It's really pretty. I'm prepared 2 of them. But I think I might put this back in the refrigerator. Put this back in the oven maybe for about 10 minutes. I don't know. I didn't use a egg wash. Normally I would have done that, but I just said, you know what, I'm not even in the mood for this. I've been looking forward to doing this for so long. Then I mean it was about 9 or 10 p.m. or after 10 p.m. I just got out of bed and said, let me go ahead and make these things right now. You know, it's just one less thing to do tomorrow. So anyway, it didn't come out too bad, guys. It's not too bad. Let me know in the comment section if you Ever had a bean pie before? Do you like bean pie? Have you ever made a bean pie before? Do you even like sweet potato pie or pumpkin pie? Because this is exactly what it tastes like. I did use, like I said, I used nutmeg, but I want to try it with like a pumpkin spice flavor. Hold on, pumpkin spice. What is it? Pumpkin spice. Anyway, pumpkin spice. I want to use it with the. Is that what it's called? Hold on. Okay, I knew it was something wrong. So yeah, I want to use like with pumpkin pie spice. I want to use it with that because it has all of the different spices in it. The cinnamon, the ginger, nutmeg, allspice and whatnot. Then I might even try with the 5 spice powder. I love these. I've been enjoying this. I bought this, didn't buy it for. I think I did buy it to put it in the pie, but I also use it for my coffee and for cocoa and cappuccinos around the house and whatnot. So I've been using that like that. I also use this like that, 5 spice. It's so good. I love the taste of 5 spice. So I've been, I was thinking to, oh, sorry, it's not focusing. So, well, you're probably familiar with 5 spice. So, I can't see this. Let me see. I thought I would be able to see. Oh, okay. Yeah, so fennel seed, star anise, ginger, cloves, and cinnamon is that, and that's what's in here. So this is good. I like to have this also in my what do you call those? In like teas or coffee or chocolate or something like that. So anyway, I just want to show you guys my bean pie. But let me know if you like bean pies, or if you ever made bean pies, or do you like sweet potato pie? Because that's exactly what this tastes like. It just tastes just like a sweet potato pie. Excuse me for eating with my mouth full. So anyway, as always, we're back again to encourage one another to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus and in Christ Jesus alone. This is Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, signing out for now. Thank you so much for watching, or bean pie my brother or sister. Have a good day. Bye-bye for now.